Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Microsoft Teams cloud meeting settings, detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify Microsoft Teams cloud meeting settings, start by opening Microsoft Teams on your desktop or device. Log in with your organizational account credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the bottom left corner of the app. Click on your profile picture or initials to open the user menu. From the menu, select Settings to access the Settings page. In the Settings menu, click on Privacy on the left-hand side. Scroll down to find Meeting Settings and click on it. Here, you will see various options related to meeting behavior in Settings. Review the settings under Meetings to customize your preferences. Check the option for who can bypass the lobby during meetings. Decide whether to allow all participants to join automatically or if they need permission. Next, look for the option to record meetings automatically. Enable or disable this feature according to your needs. Now, move to the Devices section from the left-hand menu. Ensure that the correct microphone, speaker, and camera are selected for your meetings. Test each device to confirm they are working properly. Next, go back to the Settings menu and click on Notifications. Adjust notification settings for meetings to stay informed about upcoming events. After setting notifications, navigate to Permissions. Review and adjust permissions related to scheduling meetings and accessing resources. If your organization uses meeting policies, it's essential to check those as well. This can usually be done through the Teams Admin Center by an admin. In the Teams Admin Center, click on Meetings in the left sidebar. Here, you can review and modify various meeting policies as needed. Once all settings are adjusted, close the Settings window. To finalize, schedule a test meeting to ensure your settings function correctly. Join the test meeting to verify audio and video settings in action. Confirm that all preferences are working as intended. You have now successfully verified your Microsoft Teams cloud meeting settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.